finally got to order the clock that it goes with Alexa. Because you know, if you say your name, she's going to hear me. So we're going to unbox it, and then we're also going to go ahead and connect it, and hopefully this goes well, but because we're not going to practice this, we're just going to go ahead. So far, every item that I have with Lexi, can't say her real name because she'll listen, has been very, very easy. So let's get this unboxed and get it all paired up with my router, and I'll be right back. So I love gadgets. So I got ready to order this the first time, and evidently they had connectivity issues, and they ended up taking it back off the market. So then I went on and put my email address on and wanted to know as soon as it came back in. And then my luck, we were out of town, so I had to wait and order it once we got back home. So it's back in. It just came in today, and I got busy. I'm dying to get this out, get it paired. I love any type of gadget, and so this actually kind of makes me happy. So let me get the rest of this out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so in the box was another small box with batteries, but I am not going to use these. I'm going to save these, and just next time the grandkids try to push batteries off on some of their electronic stuff, we're going to give them these. Oh, sorry. What else is in is this is how to set up your wall clock. So let's take a look. I used Duracell batteries just because I like them better. Not sponsored, by the way. So let's actually try this. Alexa, set up my wall clock.
Okay. Press and hold the pairing button on the back of your Echo wall clock for up to 10 seconds until the light on the clock's face pulses orange. Pairing may take up to a minute, and the light will turn blue once paired. You can also pair or unpair your clock in the Alexa app under the Bluetooth settings of your Echo device. Your Echo wall clock is paired. It will take a few minutes to set your clock to the time of your Echo device. Once the time is set, you can hang your clock using the mounting hardware provided. When you're ready, try setting a timer or ask, "What can Echo wall clock do?"
Sorry, I turned that up a little loud, didn't I? So, hopefully, I didn't blast you guys out of here. What time is it?
10 o'clock.
I got Big Ed kind of behind the camera helping, so one of these days he'll let me totally put him on camera and you guys could actually say hi. Okay, so how about we pause this, and yeah, I can't even go and tell you what he's doing. We're going to pause this for a second because it's going to have to go all the way around because it's 10 p.m. here. So it's not quite done. You cannot move the hands on this, is what I have been reading online. So it all sets by what time it is in our area. So I'm going to have him pause this so you don't have to sit and watch this go. So we'll be right back, okay? Okay, so while we waited, it went all the way around, and because it's 10 p.m., it went all the way around again. So I just paused it because I didn't figure you guys would just want to watch the hand go round and round. I will tell you, looking at this, and I'm going to, I think, attach this to the back. But it does give you some information as far as if there's troubleshooting. If you have a notification, it blinks yellow. A single blink to red is low battery. 3 red blinks means there's an error. So it does actually have kind of a guide on this that will tell you what's wrong if something or anything is wrong. Blue light is paired. So the blue light did shut off after it was paired. So let's see, and I did turn down my show to that's in the kitchen here, so it didn't blast you guys out of here. Alexa, set a timer 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Very cool. I'll definitely have to play with this some more. I have 2 dots and one Alexa show. The show is here in the kitchen. I've done a video or 2 on that. I will definitely do some more videos on the clock as well. I love the technology. I think the smart home stuff is fun. I have done routines for Christmas, for decorating and turning on all the lights. I've got one of the light bulbs now, so I definitely have to show you that. But this, I think, will be a lot nicer to get to use, and it'll be a visual if I'm not sure and my hands are messy. And there we go. Alexa, dismiss. So there you go, guys. Easy peasy. I literally just hit this button. There is a little pairing button back here. It's green. That is literally what I held. The directions are easy. They're very simple. You don't even have to have your routing information for your router as far as your password. Once you have your show, it literally just paired very, very quickly. I didn't practice this. I literally took it out of the box, put brand new batteries in it. In between waiting while the hands went around, Ed did go ahead and hang. It does come with wall anchor and screw. It does come with the batteries. I did not use these batteries. I went ahead and put some Duracell batteries in. It's very easy. Hopefully, I'm sure that we'll love it. I will love it probably more than Ed. I'm going to go ahead and hang it up, and I'll show you what it looks like on the wall. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, easy peasy. If you have used this before and you love it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If this video helps you in any way, which I hope it does, I am excited to get to use this. Of course, I love the Alexa smart home technology. I have the outlets, I have the light bulbs, so I can't wait to use it and try it. I hope you guys hit like, I hope you subscribe, and please share with your friends. More videos coming out really soon. Thank you, and have a great night.